In this video, we're going to look at the difference between advise and advice. So here's a wrong example. I do not need your advise. No, this should be advice with a C, and we'll look at why afterwards. And actually, it's the pronunciation of these words that is going to help you get it right. So let's start by looking at advise. Now, advise rhymes with prize and size. And if you remember that, you'll probably never get it wrong. So, the verb to advise means to give advice. Here are some examples with advise. Please advise me. I need you to advise me. So remember, it rhymes with prize. In every society, some men are born to rule and some to advise. Attach yourself to those who advise you rather than praise you. So when it's a verb, it's the S version. Next, let's look at the C version. So this rhymes with mice or ice. The noun advice means a suggestion for a beneficial course of action. Here are some examples with advice. The advisors gave their advice freely. Take my advice. I don't use it anyway. Many receive advice, but only the wise profit from it. So the noun, the C version, rhymes with ice. Let's go back to our wrong example. I do not need your advice. We know that's what we're meant to be saying, so we don't want advise, we want advice, the one that rhymes with ice. Here's a summary. Advise, the verb, means to give advice. Advice, the noun, a suggestion for a beneficial course of action. That's all. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on grammarmonster.com. You'll also find us on Twitter and Facebook.